So now that you have all these social networking resources, how do you keep up with everything? I'm going to tell you how. There's an awesome website called Hootsuite.com that allows you to manage all of these very easily. So you're going to go to www.hootsuite.com and it'll bring you to this page. And right up here, go ahead and hit create account. And a free account is great. If you need a pro account or an enterprise account, then you can do all that later, but let's just start with a free account. Use the same email address, social media test account at gmail.com, and a password, and location. We'll just put New York. That works. And if you want to receive their newsletters or whatever, you can check that box, but I think I'll be alright. So go ahead and hit create account and connect your social networks. Now we have created Twitter, Facebook, and a Google+, so we're going to connect all three of those to Hootsuite. So hit Twitter, and it'll ask you to put in your password. Go ahead and enter it, and remember me. Authorize the app. And right here, this application will not be able to see your Twitter password. So even though you're using it, it does not actually get your Twitter password. So I'm going to also do Facebook, hit OK. OK. And should be linked. Be linked with Facebook now. And it also gives you the option, since we created that closed group, you can also add the group in there too. So we'll go ahead and add the group as well and hit finish importing. And Google Plus page, social, oh, it's already there. Hit that and password. 3. Sign in and accept. And okay, well, I guess I didn't create a page. Anyway, so once you have those accounts linked in, you can just hit continue. And it's already there. So then hit continue dashboard and it'll automatically take you here. So once your account's created, you'll be brought to a screen that looks something like this, and basically what you can do is manage all your different social networking sites from one central hub. And how it works is you have your different social accounts here, and you can view things. We'll start with Twitter and hit the home, and it pulls your entire Twitter home feed right here to your Hootsuite. And then you can also do Facebook, and we'll grab the news feed, and so you can view it all right in the same place, and so it's super easy. It keeps it really clean and simple to use. You can move them around however you like. It's really nice. And one of the awesome things to do, one of the awesome features is the compose message feature. And what you can do here is type a message, and I'll show you what's super sweet about it. Say you have content laid out for the entire week, and you may not be here at specific times to post the content. Hootsuite can do it for you. So learn to use Hootsuite. You can attach images or files, locations, privacy options, but what's awesome is you can do scheduling. So we'll hit scheduling and say I want to post it on Sunday. This Sunday at 3:30 p.m. and it even can email you in the messages sent. And we'll just go ahead and hit oh, forgot one thing. Got to select which social networking sites to post it to. We'll post it to all three and just hit all, and then schedule. And so Sunday at 3:30 p.m. it will post that on all our social networking sites, and it's as easy as that. Another awesome part about Hootsuite is the analytics section. You can click there, and I've already done a couple just messing around with it, but it can take your social networking statistics and put it all into one big infographic for you. So we'll select our Twitter account and just hit create report, and okay, so we already created 2 reports. What you can do is you'll hit create report, and remember this is a free account, so you can only have 2 reports at a time. So we'll go, once you create your report, it should come up, but since we already created ours, we'll go to all reports, and we have our Twitter profile overview. And basically, this is what it'll come up with. For our social account, we only have two people we're following and no followers because, of course, it is a test account and just for the sake of the presentation. But it tells you all this basic information and your follower growth and other information. There's a bunch of stuff over here: Twitter engagement, your follower growth, your mentions, your retweets, and it just gives you all these statistics all in one easy infographic. And it's really easy to use and really handy for things like that. And one of the last things I can show you with Hootsuite is the app directory. And in here, there's a ton of free apps. You can head to free apps, and I'm going to show you the YouTube free one. And so hit install app, and it comes with 3 different sections for that. And so we'll hit finish, and it adds to a new tab called YouTube free these 3 different streams. And so what you can do in here is you might not always have content to post, or you might have a video you just want to share. So we'll go to the search stream and connect with YouTube. It should already have your YouTube logged in. If not, then you can just go ahead and sign in with your YouTube and hit grant access. Once you've granted access, it will connect in just a second, and some of the top videos on YouTube are here. So we will go ahead and search. I'm going to search Love Like Fire. This is a great song by Hillsong. And it'll come up with a video here. And we want to post it to our social media sites. We'll hit share link on Hootsuite. And then it comes up right here in the compose message section. And then we can just select where we want to post it. We'll post it to Twitter and to Facebook. And then just hit send now. And you come back to your first tab, refresh your feeds, it's both here. And it's pretty much as easy as that. So even if you don't always have content, you can just pull it from YouTube. There's a ton of different other apps you can use. I don't have time to go through it all, but you can see them for yourself, and it's really great. And one last thing I want to show you is especially useful for things like Twitter is what's called tiny.cc. And say you have a long link that you want to share. It might not fit in your tweet if you're also trying to tell stuff about that link or what it is. Then you can only have 140 characters, so it's nice to have a nice shortened URL. So we'll get a URL here at networkpaladin.org. And we'll go to our faith-based section here. And just grab the link from here. You can copy and paste. And hit tiny, and it's as easy as that. It comes up with a simplified version of your URL, which you can just copy and paste back in Hootsuite. We'll type it here. Check out these presentations. Copy and paste our link here. Select, we'll send it to Twitter, and hit send now. And it's super easy, keeps everything short and clean, and it's great to use. So that's pretty much it for Hootsuite. It's really great for managing all these things and saves you a lot of time. Thanks for watching.